real concerned. The wind's coming up and the flames aren't too far away, so we got to pay attention. I'm doing it so if the fire comes here, it helps to prevent from burning my house down. So to keep it wet, maybe the flames wouldn't get on the side.
We can't bring pets inside, but we'll have to just deal with it. It was cooling off and just getting to sleep really good when the sheriff came through right before first light and said everyone has to leave, so that's what we woke up to, and here we are. You want some chicken? And in the Walmart, I'm still pretty concerned, because like I say, I left some cats there, and it's an RV, so if it burns, I couldn't go to another park. I'd have to obtain another RV. So yes, I'm a little concerned, a little worried, but all we can do is hope and pray right now. Keep our fingers crossed.